Welcome back to my channel. Beetles sent me their Tipex Instant Apex kit to try at home. This is my first time trying these nail tips, so I'm so excited to unbox them together. Let's start with the 36 color gel nail polish set. Beetles did a wonderful job with the packaging. I love the embossing and that the color's on top. It also came with a glitter top coat. And starting off with the sculpted long stiletto Tipex, the kit came with instant apex tips, nail glue, a handy file, and the goose headlamp. It's so cute and tiny, I can't wait to try it. I went ahead and measured all my nails and put my sizes aside. And I did my left hand off camera just to get some practice in. Now I'm starting on my pinky nail and applying the glue in the center in a line, but stopping before hitting the end of the tip and staying away from the sides. I'm pressing down at a 45-degree angle and then flash curing for 5 seconds. I feel like I did good on this one. It's pretty flush. Then I'm repeating those steps on the rest of the nails. The key is to apply at a 45-degree angle. These are perfect for naturally flat nail beds, so they're great for me. My tip as a beginner is to begin applying the glue where the end of your nail bed is, just like this. And I had so much fun creating this nail look at home. It was so simple and easy. This was even my first time using nail glue on my natural nails, so this kit is definitely beginner friendly. Once I was done, I fully cured for 1 minute and then buffed them off camera. Then I'm sealing the cuticle by brushing on pure acetone to create a more natural look. All my favorite nail girlies do this step, so I'm just here following in their footsteps. Now I'm using this beautiful red wine color. It's perfect for the fall season. I did 2 coats and cured in between. And the glitter top coat really sealed the deal. And just look at these nails. It really looks like I just left the nail salon with acrylics. Comment your thoughts below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!